Hey beauties, and welcome to the Pointed Shoe Gummy instructions and information video. In this video, we'll go over what types of shoes you cannot apply pointed shoe gummies to, what types of shoe bottoms are best for gummy application, what types of shoe bottoms you cannot apply gummies to, and how to apply your gummies. Let's get started. You cannot apply pointed style gummies to dancer heels, shoes with a very thick platform, wedges. You cannot apply pointed style gummies to a shoe with a round or square toe box. You cannot apply pointed style gummies to a shoe with a terrain bottom with thick lines, deep designs, or soft rubber. Let's go over what types of bottoms shoe gummies are not to be applied to. Shoe bottoms with very deep 3D type designs. Shoes with a terrain bottom, deep designs, and soft rubber. Let's go over what types of shoe bottoms are best for gummy application. Shoes with a smooth surface are best for gummy application. There are types of shoes that have superficial lines on the bottom. As long as you file these down flat, you can apply gummies to the bottom of this shoe. Let's get started with your pointed style gummy application. What you'll need is a pen and a blow dryer. In your box, there's a pair of gummies and your prep file. Remove your gummies from your bag. On your gummies, there's a R and an L letter indicator to tell you which gummy goes on which bottom of your shoe. Let's start with the right shoe. For gummy placement, make sure your gummy stays inside the edges of the shoe. Also, place your gummy before the bottom of your shoe starts to curve up. Now, take your pen and trace the gummy into place. Take your prep file and file inside of the traced area. Wipe away any debris on the bottom of the shoe. Now take your right shoe gummy and your blow dryer and heat up the gummy for a few seconds. This will ensure for the best gummy application. Peel up your release liner. Be careful as this adhesive is very sticky. Take your gummy and place it inside of the traced area on your right shoe. Press down. Once you're done with the right shoe, repeat all steps for your left shoe. Once you've applied both gummies to your shoes, I recommend wearing them after application because pressure is needed to secure the attachment. Enjoy your heels, ladies.